listen, even now when I watch football, I'm not watching as a football player. I'm watching as a coach. So, answer is definitely no. Not just because of that. I think my body cannot take no more any knocks, any challenges which Premier League has a lot. So no, but definitely it's the dream to play for Man United. But in my age, even one game would be too much. To be fair, I have quite a few because through my career I have very important moments. Playing for the Red Star Belgrade, that's the first one. That was my dream club. Then signing for Man United, winning the Champions League with United. So it's quite a few. So Champions League, I think not many players that can win Champions League. So I think that's trophy to win. It's special for any player. I think it will be difficult to challenge for the title this year, but I think top four. I think that's something they can look for. So yeah, I think we have some young new players, good players, but I think they're not ready yet to win the trophy. I think totally two different players. Ronaldo is very direct. You know that every time he has a ball, he will try to do something. Messi is. It's very difficult to play against because he's playing behind the striker. So it's not really number 9. So he gets these good positions, which is difficult for defenders. So I think totally different type of the players. So it's difficult to say. But I always go for Ronaldo because I'm sentimental because I played with him, so we won few trophies together, so I give him small advantage because of that. I think Germany is always going to be there in the last stage of the. I think in Germany they have mentality, they have some good players, and I think they will be biggest challengers for the European Championship. So yeah, them and France. I think them too. I choose to be K9 Win ambassador because they're currently one of the leading online casinos in Asia, and I believe that they have potential to compete with some of the best online casinos in the world. And I'm glad to be a small part of that journey.
Dreams become reality.